quiet winter's evening in Bedford Falls, the residents flush without fear. When they dispose of wastewater, they never really think about it. They assume that it's gone, never to be seen again. They faithfully trust there are no blockages further down the line to disrupt the flow, change the back pressure, and ultimately change the direction of flow. They haven't really thought about it at all until tonight.
Enter the floodgate, a revolutionary new design in backwater valve systems, another innovative solution from J.R. Smith Manufacturing Company.
The floodgate is an automatic backwater valve designed to protect your home or facility from public sewer contamination in the event of a main sewer backup or malfunction. Conventional backwater valves, which are most commonly used today, have serious functionality limitations. The standard flapper valve is essentially a permanent obstruction in a drain system. If not properly maintained, a dam is created. The flapper, originally designed to prevent problems, actually becomes a potential cause of sewage backups. Furthermore, an initial sewage problem is quickly escalated in the event of a snagged sewer rod. Traditional manual gate valves, on the other hand, are effective once closed. The difficulty is that one must either anticipate a sewage malfunction, or at best, catch it in its early stages when only minimal damage has occurred. Not only that, but then the valve must be reopened manually when the threat has subsided. The floodgate automatic backwater valve overcomes all of these obstacles. With the floodgate installed in your drainage system, protection is in place whether you're awake or asleep, home or away. When the sewer backs up, the gate closes completely. When the sewer returns to operational levels, the floodgate reopens automatically. Here's how it works. It's been said that water has a mind of its own. As water seeks its own level, pressure is generated. Typically, that pressure is manifested in sewage spewing out of the lowest access point in the drain system, usually a floor drain. Without any electrical or electronic components, the floodgate harnesses this same energy and uses it to mechanically operate the valve. Reliably, the valve is automatically activated by air captured and compressed when the sewer backs up into the bellow chamber. A stainless steel gate foils the advancing sewage with a positive seal. In fact, this gate, when closing under pressure, is able to cut completely through normal sewage debris, all the while creating an impenetrable barrier. Whether incorporating the 4 or 6 inch model, the floodgate is a full port valve. With the interior walls of the valve being of the same diameter as those of the piping, there are no enlargements or constrictions to snag debris that could ultimately render the valve ineffective. This full port design is further facilitated by an inline construction. The inlet and outlet remain on the same line. This means that installations in existing sewers are feasible without altering the fall of the pipe. Again, the whole activation process is totally automatic. You could be about your business while your drainage system is doing its job, discarding waste. Well, you probably won't even realize that it is in operation. Floodgate's durable cast iron chassis construction make this valve a trouble-free drainage solution. Whether employed in an existing or new drainage system, the installation of the floodgate valve couldn't be simpler. As demonstrated in this simulated upgrading of an existing system, simply expose the appropriate installation point along the line, cut and remove the appropriate length of pipe, and clamp the floodgate directly in its place. The only tools required are a snap cutter and a nut driver. New construction applications are even more straightforward. Simply install the floodgate as you would any other inline drain component. Floodgate, with its patented design, is rapidly becoming the valve of choice for backwater protection. In tidal areas, floodplains, and flash flood-prone neighborhoods, the floodgate valve provides unheralded defense against the extremely costly cleanup and severe health risks which can result from traditional valves that fail. In homes, schools, hospitals, office towers, business malls, and industrial plants alike, the floodgate is reliable and has demonstrated a positive effect on operating costs. Once the cost of cleanup, sanitization, reconstruction, increased insurance premiums, and associated health risks are considered, it becomes clear why employing the floodgate just makes good common sense. The floodgate valve. Automatic. Full port. Positive seal. Inline construction. Our waistlines can once again be something we take for granted. Protect your building and your investment.
Specify the floodgate from J.R. Smith Manufacturing Company. Another innovative solution